You have to keep going. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. The key is to keep going. Even if you can't do it at your fast pace, even if you can't run, even if you can't fly, taking a small step, crawling, will eventually get there. It's just about making sure that you don't stop. Whatever it is, you know, that you've always wanted to do, whatever it is that you're trying to start right now, whatever it is that is worrying you or stopping you from get to the other side, or if you've started your business and it doesn't seem like it's picking up, or you've started a project and it doesn't seem that it's getting the attention you thought it would get, keep going. Don't give up. Keep doing one thing at a time. One small step every single time will eventually lead to you getting to your goal. Can't expect to achieve such great results the minute you start a project, the minute you decide, for example, let's say you decide, I'm going to finally put myself out there and be a model. You can't just expect to have tons and tons of bookings right away because you've decided, you've created a profile, you've created your website. You have to keep going. You have to keep putting yourself out there. You may have to keep going to several auditions, or you may have to keep going to see different agencies. Whatever it may be, just keep pushing through. The minute you decide to stop, that's the minute you're killing your dream and you're going steps back. You know, it's better to be able to take one small step every single day than taking 20 steps back so you can restart again. You know, keep going, keep pushing through, even if it means doing one small thing each day. Let's say if you're trying to work on your fitness goal, even if it means that you do 10 minutes of exercise every day instead of the full 45 minutes. The key is you're working, you keep going, and you're not stopping your momentum. Obviously, not every day is going to be perfect. You're not going to be at your full potential. You're not going to have the same amount of energy every single day, but the key is being resilient and not taking your foot off the pedal. So whatever it may be, if you're currently thinking of giving up your business, or giving up on education, or giving up on fitness goal, or giving up on your relationship, whatever it may be, whatever you're currently thinking of giving up right now, just remember to keep going. One small step is better than no steps at all. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.